fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today is the 11th of October 2023, and you're looking at a worst case scenario on a trading platform. Well, somebody could say it's a worst case scenario. We are down by $300,000 in this trade. This is trading gold. We're waiting for it to reverse. As you can see, I've been chasing this stock on the reversal, but it hasn't done so. But it's just starting to do so, as you can see in the blue there. This is live trading, of course. The total, I'm down by, 300,000. Now let's have a look at history. Give us a little bit of understanding. We got about 386,000 in the bank, and these are all the trades in the blue. These are historical trades. You can see it's all win. This account, or this strategy that I'm applying, it's not for the faint-hearted, and it's a strategy. Okay, you got to bear that in mind. I have been trading on and off, sell and buy as the market fluctuates, and of course, as you can see, all my trades are for gold to drop or go short. It's coming against me. Now, how do we get out of this situation? Simple. If you're watching the top trade there at 720, you're watching its price action. Okay, you're just watching it. If it goes, say, over $3,000 minus, maybe we should open up another position on a short, or you can certainly open up a buy position. It's certainly entirely up to you, depending on the chart. That's a 1 minute chart, 15-minute chart, and of course 1 hour, and the long term to see where the gold is going. According to the one chart, the gold could be recovering, which suggests my bet or my trades are out of the money. Okay, but according to these short-term fluctuations, it could come back down again where I can capitalize on it. Let's look at 15 minutes, or it can continue to go up. As you can see, it's starting to show the red up there at 1 minute. It's going flat, which also reflect on our price range. So I'm just watching it closely. And of course, this is a strategy. The first trade was this trade of losing 152,000 was made yesterday. So I've been holding on to it, but at the same token, I've been trading ups and downs. We'll look at them. So you can see I've been trading on a buy position, one sell position there. 11. Let me count how many trades that I've made today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. I have made 9 trades, winning trades just today. A couple of, I think 3 sell positions. Now let's go back to where we were. Now this, as I said, this is a strategy. It's not for the faint-hearted. Plus, you need to be able to have a big balance to be able to support strategy. It's a very, very risky strategy, but I'm showing it to you because it's out of the money, to show you sort of a worst case scenario. Why am I holding on to it? Maybe I'm stupid, but there is a little bit of strategy to the madness. Now, I know I've been trading like this in the past. It hasn't been very productive, but I wanted to show you live what trading is with a certain strategy can apply. I shouldn't have let all these these trades drift so far. I should have closed them at a loss. But I'm one of those traders who don't believe in closing trade or take, the loss, cut our losses sort of process. I'm a firm believer every trade we make should make money. It's just the way how you structure it, how much you can take as a risk. I'm not saying go and do this. I'm just showing a worst case scenario to show that I can recover just using a simple strategy. As I said, I've already made 11 trades today, and they're all winning trades regardless. Okay? All winning trades, highest 11,000, and I'm still making money even though I'm out of the money. And it's just by watching the fluctuations of the price, the profits that I'm making, watching the chart at the same time. But in the meantime, I'm just watching the chart. I'm hoping somewhere along in the night I'll make another video to explain this madness or this crazy strategy. But you got to have faith in certain things that you're trying to achieve. As you can see, it's starting to go out of money. Now, if it goes too far out of money, I might have to make a buy position just to counter this trade. I hate doing the counter sort of trade. I rather sort of follow the trend. The trend at the moment is buy. If it drops a little bit more, this is on a 1 minute chart, of course, then I'll have to open up a buy position. So it's just a matter of watching, because the long term, the 1 day chart shows that gold is returning or rebounding. So these short-term trades or short-term fluctuations, I'm just going to have to keep an eye on it. If it made a breakthrough from that last position there on my left, the last position there at the 1874.28, if it make a breakthrough there, then of course the gold is recovering. It's made a breakthrough, so I think I better make a buy position. And it's just a matter of watching. I'll just open up a buy position there now, even though I'm going to be out of the money. If the buy positions continue to be prosperous, then I'll be just trading the buy position, to capitalize on short-term gains. So as soon as that buy positions continue and reach, say, 3,000, I'll open up another buy position and catch it as if we have a look at the long-term chart again, as it recovers or rebounding. So that's the madness of this crazy trade that I'm making. Straight away, it's up there. Now, if I look at this range, okay, it's getting up there. It's pretty good. If it reaches, say, 2,000 on the profit, then I'm like, open up another buy trade, only because of the long-term possibility there. Gold is recovering, and there are certain times that I close these trades on a profit, and it's like taking the profit and adding into your balance. So that's another strategy again. You can still make money even though your main account is out of the money. You can trade on the short-term fluctuation. As you can see on the buy position there, it's starting to make a bit of money. But of course, the more we continue, the more we're going to expose you amazing things if you understand how your portfolio or your trades are going. There's a risk. Trust me, gambling now. I'm gambling. It's not trading. Yes, it's crazy. But if I can pull this off, then I'll just record and let you see. You can pull out of a bad situation or worst case scenario. But anyway, if this buy trade starts to come up really against me, then I'll just open up another short position. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. If I open up another short position, I'll have 5 short positions in this category. Anyway, Stephen R. from My Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. We'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.